Nĩ ndumiriri ya Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ya kwendithiria akenya thiguku njega ya kirithimati na mwaka mweru wina umuthio wa 2018. Hindi ya ndumiriri ino Mutongoria wa bururi ni augire riri ni ihinda ria akenya guikara na thayu na urumwe na oria akenya mateanirie rumena rwa kiuteti rutari na kiguni.
This is not a time to look back. This is not a time to nurse grudges of the past. This is the time to forgive and to look forward to the renewal that God promises in the birth of this child.
Kurumirira mitino iri thiite na mbere na kuhanika na andu aingi gute mioyo yao. Uhuru ni oririe matereba makorwo mari na uigiririki muno makiria hari mitwarithiria ya ngari niguo gwithema na mitino ya barabara.
And I ask you again, especially our drivers, to take care of yourselves and your fellow countrymen and women in all your journeys this festive season.
Agitiriha ndumiriri yake, Uhuru ni endithiria akenya kirithimati njega na mwaka mweru uri na umuthio.
Let me close by wishing you and all you love a very Merry Christmas.
Atongoria matiganite ni mendithiria akenya kirithimati njega na kumoria maige thayu na urumwe na gutianiria mena cia kiuteti. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwagi.